The provisions are all taken care of.
Where's the captain of this ship?
Yeah, where's the captain? This awesome boat ride isn't gonna enjoy itself.
I'll be right there. Hey, you're not allowed in here. Gotcha. Hey.
There he is!
What took you so long?
Up aboard, Mick. I just finished priming the poop deck.
No, wait. Hey! Hey, guys! Guys!
Look, it's a monkey.
Hey, it's me! Hey, guys!
You ever get the feeling they're trying to communicate with us? Wow! Mickey knew exactly what it was saying.
That's my Mickey. He's so smart.
Bravo!
Guys! Wait!
It's that monkey again. He's taking a nap in his hammock. You're right, Mickey. He does look kind of cute up there.
Wait!
Now that monkey's performing some kind of dance. Must be mating season.
Speaking of mating season,
Wow. He's a scholar and a gentleman.
oh, Mickey, you're so considerate.
It's that monkey again, and he's enraged. Yeah. Me?
No, him!
Mickey, look out!
We'll save you, Mick.
Mickey, are you okay?
Guys, I'm fine. Let's just relax and enjoy the rest of the ride. I hear there's some gorgeous waterfalls up ahead.
Waterfalls?
Up ahead?
What a boat ride this is turning out to be. Right, gang?
You silly